G'day and welcome to my garage. Well, that's a relatively quick clean-up. Don't have to worry about that because that's going to have a bearing cap on top, same round channel, and that's got to be bored out to receive the spindle, excuse me, the spindle bearings, the bronze bushings. I still have to work these pad surfaces down nice and smooth, and same as the carriage, get them flat, get this flat, have these two lands parallel with each other, excuse me, and as best 90 degrees to the spindle, but that's not so important because that will this 90 degree to the spindle won't be so important because this gets line bored with a boring bar. So if it's off a little bit, you know, talk a couple of thou, not a quarter inch. So I just check the relativity of the waste surfaces 90 degrees to the spindle ball. Okay, I'll catch you later. Bye. Hi and welcome to my garage. We're we're back at the vise this time with the spindle headstand slide. No, we're not finished with these surfaces. We may have finished the carriage, but now this headstand, and then later on the tail stand will need it. So we're back to the file and the bench, and a lot of work. Well, I'm going to be here for a while. I'll catch you later. Bye. Okay. Okay, to start hand scraping. This is this will be the primary reference surface, so I can then work off that reference surface for these pads. Okay. Not bad, not bad. A little bit more work to do, but come along quite nicely. I've trued up and blued these two surfaces. They're quite good now, but most importantly they're giving me a reference surface to work off. This is 0. I've already had a look at it. That's the lowest corner. That's plus 10 off there. This is plus 10 and plus 20. So we're higher on, we're 10 high, 20 high. So that'll give you an area of where I need to work. So over to the vise, and we'll file these down. I'm just cleaning up the spindle head, or the headstand ways, for getting all the mill scale off to make it all nice and even. I need the ways so I can blue up or true up the clamps. And also the mill scale's got to come off, because over time the mill scale will wear out, and then you've got to adjust the shim stack on the clamps. So might as well get it all nice and clean now. Doesn't take long to get the scale off. It's just a little bit of work, not too bad. It's not just the mill scale, it's also rust. The stock had been, well, it hadn't been out in the weather, but it's been in the, it's been sitting around for a fair while in my garage. So it just needs a bit of a clean up. Just grab my calipers. Seventy-four, 4.79. So that's 0.04 of a millimetre. 0.025 is 1 thou. It's only a couple of thou still. It'll upset the action. 73. It's always a guess with these things, isn't it? Just clean it up a little bit more. What have we got? 75 mil. No, I've only got 50 mil micrometers. 74.72. 74.71. 74.76. A little bit high in the centre. Seventy-four point 72, 74.70, 76. Okay. I'll just gently work this down a little bit. Doesn't have far to go. Okay, back from the vise and the file. Didn't take long, only gone for about 3 or 4 minutes. 74.66. 74.65. 74.69, 0.04, 2 thou. So I still need to work this this edge. 6566, 6566. 66, 74.66. So it's about a thou. We'll see how that goes when it's well, when I get the clamps on and the gib in and adjust it up. If it's not good enough, it'll be it'll bind. So that's a good indication too where some problems are. But I've got about a thou. I might just nip that up a little bit. Play with it a little bit longer, but it won't be too much longer. This is the back side. Look, these ways only contact a small area. So, but to work that 10-15 millimeters down each side, you've got to work the whole plate anyhow. You just can't work that little bit. You'd chamfer it off. So to keep it flat and square, you have to work the whole area. But that's not a problem. Bring out the sanding block and the plate with a strip of sandpaper. When you're only talking 1 or 2 thou, it comes down pretty quick. It's not a bad job by hand. Alright, continue on. Catch you later. Yeah, still working on these pads. Just now working them down so they're flat across and along its length. This is going to take a while. Just filing these pad location clamp. Okay, the pads for the clamps. Just filing those down to the thickness of the ways, the headstand ways, and then I'll just take it down another thou or two, so it leaves me a bit of room for fitting adjustment shims. Of course, the plate here is a thickness guide, so I know how far to file those pads down, or more to the point, so I don't file it down too far and have to put a heap of shim in to make it work. The chalk on the file works, but doesn't work all the time. Well, it works while the chalk's there. Of course, once you tap it, you lose a lot of chalk. But hey, it's the name of the game, isn't it? Not to worry, this works pretty fast. Well, not as fast as a milling machine. Still. It's raining, haven't got anything better to do, so I'll keep working away. Catch you later.